Welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Today we are integrating trigonometric functions. Okay, now with this problem that we have at hand, we are going to break this cos to the power of 3x like cos squared x sine squared x, and then I will say cos x dx is the same thing anyway, because cos x times cos squared x gives us cos to the power of 3x. Right? Now we are going to use the square identity. You remember that says sine squared x plus cos squared x is equal to 1. So in this regard, we are going to have, in the place of cos squared x, we are going to put 1 minus sine squared x, then sine squared x, this one right here, and then we put our cos x, then dx. Okay, now we are going to let t, so we say let t is equal to sine x. Okay, then we find dt dx. dt dx is going to give us cos x. Now we are going to make dx the subject of the formula on this one. So we are going to have dx is equal to dt over cos x. And now we're going to put this dt, this dx that we have right here. Okay, so we are going to have the integral. Okay, I should have started by writing I is equal to the integral. Okay, like that. So we are going to have 1 minus t, because t is equal to sine x, so that's t squared on that one. 1 minus t squared. Then and t squared, this other one, sine squared x. Then we write cos x, but you remember this dx, we are replacing it with dt over cos x. So that's multiplying dt over cos x. Now this cos x is going to cancel off, and so that we remain with the values of t only in that integral. So we're going to have I is equal to, so I'll just simplify that expression there. I'm going to have t squared minus t to the power of 4, then dt, and then I'm going to integrate that. So that is going to give us I is equal to t to the power of 3 divided by 3 minus t to the power of 5 divided by 5 plus c, where c is an arbitrary constant. Now it's time for us now to take back our sine x in there, because you remember we said t is equal to sine x, so we're just gonna take it back there. Then we are going to have I, therefore I is equal to t to the power of 3 is sine to the power of 3, sine to the power of 3 x over 3 minus sine to the power of 5 x over 5 plus c, where c is an arbitrary constant. We've come to the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Enjoy your day.